Hello.
Hey, baby, you're back.
Yeah.
What's up?
You're looking so beautiful.
Thank you, I need to.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Hey.
Where are you coming from?
You're teasing me.
Stop blushing in now.
I just want to see my guy.
Are you sure?
I'm telling you.
Okay.
You're looking so beautiful.
Thank you.
Oh my god.
How are you? How are you doing?
What are you doing there?
Just relaxing.
I'm hungry, you know. Okay, let's swallow and do focus.
Let's change.
To what?
This is soup.
Is that preferable?
Yes.
You mean it?
Yes.
Okay. So what protein are we using?
This is chicken.
Chicken?
Yes.
I prefer fish. Okay, chicken. Promise me that you would never leave me alone.
Yeah, I promise you.
You cross your heart. Oh, sorry. Did you see that? See that?
You're very naughty.
Wow!
There you go.
Ben!
Hey. How far now?
Nah, what's happening?
Fine, no. See, Susie. Where are they enter like this now? Where are you going to? Now?
You know what? You know what? I want to go and buy a popcorn.
Popcorn. I noticed that it must be Susie's idea.
Yes.
Oh, you're not looking bad. You're not looking bad.
Thank you. You guys are looking good.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you. I'm just coming from my crib, man.
Ben, who is this beautiful dancer beside
Oh. Sorry. I just apologize for my manners. So that this is my friend, the Ken I've been telling you about.
Okay.
Good to meet you.
Nice meeting you.
Good to
It's good, man.
She's a beautiful lady.
Yes, and
Susie.
it's
Hi.
Susie, it's sweetheart.
I have to testify.
And I've told her that she's beautiful. She's
I
beautiful.
can see. Okay.
Oh, sorry, honey. Anyway, we are about going now, but you guys are welcome. Let me get you guys something to eat.
Alright. Thank you very much.
She's very beautiful.
Yes, thank you. I know. Thank
Alright.
you. Thank you. How are you?
Fine.
Looking beautiful as usual.
Today was so stressful.
Okay, the business.
Yeah.
That's good. That's what we are praying for.
Yeah.
Hey, that reminds me. I came to your shop and called you. You said you were around, but when I get there, you weren't around. So I don't know.
Okay. Then I went to the market. I went to get some
really?
goods for my customers.
You bought good ones, right?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, thank God for that. Okay. Thank God for that. There, I am very, very famished. I'm so famished. I'm hungry. Can you make something for me, please?
You mean now?
Yes.
No, I'm going out.
You're going out.
Yeah, my customers are waiting for me. One of my customers called, so I had to go make her hair for her.
Alright, so
When I come back, I will prepare something for you.
okay, I will wait till your customer.
I said when I come back now, it's my customer. I have to go and see her. Please, when I come back, just find something, fix yourself.
Okay. Take care of yourself. Alright.
Ha. Namuleze. Yudi. Central trainer. Idan. Browsy. Bese go down low.
Hello.
See that? Hello, where are you?
I'm in the market. Is there any problem?
You mean you are in the market? There's no problem. I want you to come to my house now.
No. I have so many customers in my shop and I need to attend to them.
Alright, okay. Since you are busy in the market, let me come now. Let me come to the market.
No. Maybe don't come. Don't worry, when I'm done, I'll call you.
Alright.
Bye-bye.
Rose.
This flower, you know, they will be saying flower, they will be hey, gosh, or dealing.
I don't understand this girl too. And the worst thing is that Snapchat.
I am telling
that
you.
Snapchat, they will be like,
Dog.
Good. Come to think of it, there's something I want to tell you.
Okay.
Recently, Rose, my girlfriend, have been acting this strange.
Okay.
The way her behaviors now, her behavior gets me very, very sad, and I don't understand. The way she do things now is awkward.
Throw more light on it. I am lost.
Okay. What I'm trying to say is that she now picks calls, different calls, and she will not let me understand why or the reason why she's picking the calls. And again, her phone now has passwords. Okay, if she wants to go out, she'll just dress up, pick her bag and go. Okay, where are you going to? She will not let me know. When are you coming back? She will not let me know. Okay, which friend are you going to see? She's not letting me know anything about that. You understand? I think there is something fishy about what she's doing now. You get?
Okay. Let's say she's a cheat.
Cheat?
Yes.
So,
You see, that is why I don't like women. Do you understand? You know me too well. For me, I cannot condone such attitude around me. I'm telling you.
so what do you advise I do now?
Okay. There is this adage that says, bitter cola is bitter, sweeter is juice. Do you understand me? You must send her packing.
Packing?
Yes. Let go. Let her get out of your side.
But sending her away is not the answer to my problem. You understand? I want my girlfriend back. I love this girl so much. To let go someone you cannot do without is not that easy. But let me just try.
Ben, let her be.
But I want to know, have you been seeing her around anybody or anybody she's attached with recently?
That I cannot tell. No.
Let's just...
Okay. Let me see.
So Rose thinks that I'll be the one that she will just toil around with, play me around, now pretending she loves me. Okay, she started the game and I'm in for the game. We'll play it together, but after we are going to know who wins and who loses. I'm in the game.
are you doing here?
Are you back?
Yeah, I'm back.
Okay,
Say something, yo.
no, I mean,
Come on, say something. You came to the house and you didn't even tell me.
no. My guy, I mean my guy, sent a message to your friend, so I had to come and deliver it.
You didn't even call me like you're coming to the house.
Oh, no, he's urgent.
I hope all is well. This one you're shivering.
No, nothing.
So let's go now.
No, I need to go. He has been calling me. Yes. Okay, bye-bye.
So baby, this one I always see Rose frequently in our house. I hope all is well.
Oh, I forgot to tell you. She came around. She told me that their wedding is coming up next week.
Is that why she's coming to the house when I'm not around?
This is the more reason why she came. I don't know. Are you insinuating anything?
I'm not insinuating. The other day I barged into her the veranda there. That's what I'm asking.
I just told you she came to inform me that their wedding is coming up next week. Okay. Are you suspecting I am dating her?
I'm not, but I just have to be security conscious. I'm a woman.
I just told you what happened.
Anyways, congrats. I'm happy for them.
Whatever.
Sorry.
What's wrong? I've been waiting.
Sorry for keeping you waiting. Now you're useless friend. Come let me out.
What?
Yeah, I had to escape from him.
Rose,
Yes, dear.
tell me the truth. Are you playing games with me?
Oh, no. I will not play games with you. I will not.
Are you sure?
I will not, Joe.
Let me just say I'm giving you a benefit of doubt.
I will not.
Do you have 200 naira?
Let me check. Yeah.
Just quickly get me airtime. Yeah?
Okay.
Just come back so that we can push away.
Yeah, looking sweet.
You're looking so too. I'm telling you.
Okay, now.
Rosie, baby.
Yes.
Oh my God. This is cool. Rosie, baby.
This is what happened. Exactly what happened.
My best friend.
You are dotting into my time. Number one. Okay.
After everything I do for this guy, all this is what he has to pay me.
Do you know, I am okay. I cannot continue with you.
See, I'm fed up. Please, see. Look at him. Look, my best friend. He's my best friend.
Alright, do you know what we're going to do?
Are you not aware that your girlfriend is cheating with my boyfriend?
That is it. Ken, if we can, I will show Ken. Best thing I'm made of.
Do you know I saw Rose at my place? She said you sent an errand to deliver to me.
Don't worry. The game is on now. What's... No.
That's
I forgot.
Joe.
Swallow and Okazi soup.
No.
Okay, what?
Okay.
Hi, yeah, Ben, sorry. I'm sorry for keeping you waiting, okay?
Fine.
I'm sorry for keeping you waiting, okay? I have some stuff I have to do.
Alright.
I'm very sorry.
Alright. Let's just go straight to the point now.
Okay.
Okay. What are we going to do?
I don't know, that was why I came to you.
Alright, I think I have a plan.
Okay.
Come, let me tell you.
Okay then. Exactly. We are going to show them. I will teach him a lesson. He will know that is why they call me Susie. I won't take that nonsense from him. You're right then. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. I have to start going.
Okay. Alright. Let's just stick to the plan.
Exactly.
That's all. Alright.
We'll meet at the point.
Okay.
Alright then. Bye.
Alright,
Take
just
care.
take care.
Alright then.
I am not going to allow anybody to play hide and seek with me. Nonsense. Thank God you're here.
Ben, what is it?
Thank God you're here. What is it? I'm finished.
Why are you running like a rabbit from the hole?
If I'm running like a rabbit from the hole, it's better. Let me tell you. As we speak now, Rose has been kidnapped.
What?
I'm telling you the truth. She is right now inside the bush or the forest. I don't even know.
What did they say they want from her?
They don't want anything. They are done with what they want. They raped her and tied her to a tree inside the bush.
Oh my God. Okay, what do we do now?
Of course, I want you to help me so that I can get my girlfriend. That's all. I cannot leave my girlfriend inside the forest.
Are you insane? No. Are you mad? You want me to follow you to a known destination? Where do you know we are going? Where are we going to?
Okay. I think she said Orizu forest. That's what she said.
Have you seen it? Orizu forest?
Yes.
Now I know. Don't you know that place is very, very dangerous?
What do you mean? Okay. Are you suggesting now that we leave Rose inside the bush? No, are you suggesting we leave her to die inside that forest as you said?
That place is very, very dangerous. You know it.
We are going to use our senses. That's why we are men. Okay, are you suggesting we leave Rose?
Okay.
Let's just go.
Oh no, I can't. Ben, no. Hey, Jesus, in this forest. Oh, hey, Ben, you can't do this to me. You can't leave me here, Ben. You can't leave me here. Oh, hey, Ben, no, you can't leave me here. You can't leave me here. Come on, Ben, you know I love you. Oh, Ben, you can't leave me here. Ben, you can't leave me here. Oh, Ben, in this forest. Oh, Ben, hi. Hey, come and help me, please. Come and help me.
Oh my God. What?
Come and
Susie.
Okay.
Susie. What are you doing here?
What's the meaning
Thank
of
God you are
that?
here.
Keep quiet, my
Come on,
friend.
Lucy,
Slow down now.
stop this.
Shut up! Are you okay? Come on, keep quiet.
You're mad.
Ken.
You've been cheating on us with my boyfriend and you expect me to keep quiet. Are you mad?
Please now, please. Hey, you guys should stop this now.
Are you
Shut
enjoying
up.
it? Are you enjoying it?
It's fun, isn't it? You guys are busy dangling at each other. Ken, even you, after everything I've done for you, this is what you have to pay me back with.
I'm sorry, now
You're
you
not
guys
starting.
should stop
Rose,
this.
shut up there.
Baby.
Shut up. Listen to me. I was busy loving you. And all you can do to repay me is to date
Your best
my
friend.
best friend. To do what you want to do
Unbelievable.
with my best friend. Listen to me.
Baby, I love you now.
Love. Don't
Shut
make
up!
me angry.
Do you know what is love?
Don't make me angry. And listen to me. Very good you're quiet. Because if you try it, my men are around here. Let me tell you, I will just kill you. Just thank your stars.
Ben,
So you
stop
say
now.
I should leave you alive. Just thank your stars.
Ben, please now. This place is...
Ken, I loved you. I gave you everything I have. What is the problem? What did I do to you? That you have to pay me back for everything I've done for you.
It's okay.
You're heartless.
You are touching her.
You're heartless.
Are you mad?
You don't deserve me. You're a heartless boy. Fool.
Susie, it's okay now. Alright. I think let the Gentiles deal with the Gentiles. And the Jews
Ben,
deal with the
please now.
Jews.
Ben, I love
Shut up! I'm talking!
Idiot.
Now listen. I've seen that you're a bunch of cheats. Now what will happen is go.
We don't
too.
need you in our life.
Go.
You guys should just go away.
And what you will know is that I have seen that she's trustworthy. I have seen that she has every
Ben,
virtue.
I love you. Ben,
Shut up! I'm talking. So what I'm trying to tell you is that I have seen that she has every virtue of a woman,
Ben, please
of a
now.
precious woman.
I love
And let me
you.
tell you, I'm going down with her.
Oh,
Exactly.
no.
And for you too. I'm going down with him.
Are you enjoying it?
Oh,
Can you see?
Ben.
You're giving me. You've not seen anything. You've not seen anything. She's mine now. You get me? She's mine.
I love you.
Oh, you love me.
What's she talking about?
Now, you must tell. She's mine. Are you feeling it? Are you feeling it?
You don't deserve anything good. You guys betrayed us.
She's mine now.
Idiots.
Now,
It's not you.
what will happen now is that you find a way and sort your nonsense self out.
Ben, I love you. Ben, I love you.
You're a fool.
You don't know what is love.
My boy.
You're a fool.
Let's work out.
Idiots.
You're the mad.
Nonsense.
Be the teacher, them be learner, eh. Now them be the learner, oh. As in the right time, they copy am, eh. See, them a copy am and say, who be the teacher, them be the learner. As in the teacher, now so they go the learner, more. Who be the teacher, they be the learner. As in the teacher, now so they go the learner, more.
Looking at the school, looking at sorry. Come on, gun on a class, never a coffee, come on, teach in the street. Hustle for the money, cause life is too short. And not because very funny. Tango, they eat a good.
Don't leave us here now. You know because of this.
Don't fire you there. Susie!
You're going to see Abby.
Who be the teacher, them be learner, eh. Now them be the learner, oh. As in the right time, they copy am, eh. See, them a copy am and say, who be the teacher, them be the learner.